mapema ili mambo kama haya yasipatikane.
Moving on, 25 students of a primary school in Malindi have initiated a program to segregate waste products using bins made from used plastic bottles. The pupils from the Learning Hub School in Malindi town are members of the Ecosystem Club and also young conservatists taking part in the Malindi monthly cleanup exercise organized by the Progress Welfare Association of Malindi. The students officially launched the segregation bins at the school during the school's reopening celebration and were flanked by the conservatists from Farm and Malindi Green and Blue. Polycarp Obiere, a teacher at the Learning Hub School and the patron of the Ecosystem Club, said they engaged 25 students to develop the segregation project and managed to make the dustbin made of plastic.
Innovative students is a significant step towards a cleaner and more sustainable environment. Congratulations, Mr. President and your team, your deputy, Nisha, for designing these fantastic waste segregation bins. Your creativity and dedication are truly inspiring. You have shown that no matter where we come from, we can make a big difference in our community.
Keeping the environment clean is so important. Keeping it dirty is not essential at all. I mean, only God knows why people keep it dirty. So, segregation is important. Keeping dustbins everywhere is also important. As every second Saturday of the month, we go for beach cleanups in the beach. Like we have cleaned a lot of beaches so far. And it is very essential. I mean, so many animals are benefiting. A dirty ocean leads to dead animals. A clean ocean leads to living animals.
Away from that, close to 10,000 Kenyans went through the 3 diaspora job fair in Embu to find out information on how to go about